Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Celia Bosco here, and in today's video I want to show you some exercises that I'm doing at the gym. It's basically for the beginner, and please following me to see the exercises. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. It's all gonna be started on isolated workout, so basically it's gonna be like upper, lower, upper, lower, upper, lower, and I will take one day off on Sunday. Alright guys, so that's all the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys understand some of the exercise that I'm trying to show you today in today's video about my workout program that I'm doing. And if you guys have any questions, you can just contact me on my Instagram. It's Celia Bosco. You can ask me anything there. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for your friends if they need some workout inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.